Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. If you are new here, I am Jessie. In today's video, I'm so excited to share with you one of my childhood favorite for breakfast, and that is oatmeal. And I guess we can call it Puerto Rican style oatmeal because, hey, I'm Puerto Rican and this is the way we made it. So make sure to stick around and watch. All right, my friends, so these are the ingredients that we are going to be needing to make our yummy oatmeal. We're going to need a little pinch of salt, a dusting of cinnamon. I'm going to be using 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, 2 cups of milk. You can use almond milk or whatever milk of your liking. I'm gonna use about 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and to give it a little extra touch, I'm going to be adding a little pinch of vanilla extract. Let's go ahead and get started. To start this off, we are going to add our 2 cups of milk in our little pot at a medium heat. We're then going to add our butter. In this particular case, I have 1 tablespoon of butter and our 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to do a little pinch of salt. I guess a pinch of salt could be a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, about a 1/4 teaspoon. I just feel like the salt is absolutely necessary to make this good. And a little pinch of the vanilla extract. At this point, you can also give it a little taste. If you want to adjust anything in there, you can. If you want to add more sugar, if you want to add a little bit more salt, more vanilla, if you want to add yourself a little bit of cinnamon in here, you can do so too. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that. I'm also going to add a little bit of cinnamon in here, just a little dusting, and then I like to add a little bit more after it's done to dust it off on the top. So I'd say it's about a 1/4 teaspoon as well. Once our milk is bubbling a little bit, you're going to see is like tiny little bubbles. We're going to go ahead and turn it down on low. And we are going to come and add our 1 cup of oats. And we're going to stir it in and let it cook. Now this is something that you want to stir occasionally. Stir a lot at the beginning. Now, oatmeal is something that different people like in different ways. Some people like their oatmeal a little bit thicker, others a little bit runnier. I like mine a little bit runny. So I'm gonna cook it until all my oats are completely cooked. I remember as a kid, I used to put extra milk in my oats. There are so many different toppings that you can use on your oatmeal. You can use fresh fruit, nuts, dried fruit. There's just so many options. Today, I'm not gonna do any of that. It's just gonna be plain oatmeal with some dusting of cinnamon. So once the oatmeal starts thickening, I do like to stand near it and just mix around for a little bit until it's done. Now, if I'm using the old-fashioned oats, but if you're using the quick oats, this might be done a lot quicker with quick oats. Depends what you use. My oatmeal has been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, and it has the desired consistency that I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, and I'm going to go ahead and plate it in a bowl. Now look at that, there's nothing better than a nice wholesome bowl of oatmeal. Now we're at the point where we're going to top it off a little bit. I'm gonna use cinnamon because I love cinnamon. But you can go ahead and use whatever topping you want. If at this point you want to add more sugar, you can go ahead and add more sugar as well. Look how yummy that looks. Now it's time to give our yummy breakfast a try. This turned out just how I like it. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!